Hi, it's Zero Markets. Welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the client portal and its various features. To begin, go to the client portal login page and enter your email and password. Complete the robot verification to ensure the security of your account. Once you're inside, please allow the system to load your data. You will be defaulted to the dashboard, My Trading Accounts page, where you are able to view all your live and demo trading accounts. If you would like to deposit or withdraw funds from your account, simply click on the wallet icon located under the Actions section. Choose either deposit or withdraw and you will be redirected to our secure funding area, where you can choose your preferred payment method. Within the Actions section, you have the ability to modify both your nickname and leverage settings. Click on Change Leverage and select your desired leverage setting, then confirm New Leverage. To ensure the changes have taken effect, simply click the refresh button to update the page accordingly. Additionally, if you wish to change your password, you can conveniently do so using Change Password. Select the desired password type, provide your portal email and date of birth, and your new password will be successfully updated. When creating a new trading account, you will have the option between two platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Select the platform that suits you best, and you can easily enter the preferred leverage, account password, and nickname. Lastly, select the account type that fits your trading preferences. If you are unsure, click on Which one should I choose? To see the specifics of each account. In the Funding History section, you're able to conveniently review your deposit, withdrawal, and transfers under your account. If you have an interest in copy trading, explore our dedicated copy trading page. Here, you can learn more about the process of copy trading and gain comprehensive understanding of how to copy trades effectively. By clicking Go to Copy Trading Portal, you can access the Copy Trading Portal, where you can securely register and log in. Once logged in, you can initiate your copy trading journey with confidence. Head to Downloads to find direct links for installing our MT4 and MT5 platform. You can install MT4/5 on Windows, Mac, and both Android and iOS mobile. We also provide our very own WebTrader if needed. For further assistance, visit the Support Center from the menu. Here, you can find our frequently asked questions as well as our contact form to reach out to us. In the My Profile section, you can easily update your mobile number by clicking on Update Mobile Number in the Personal Details tab. Additionally, you can change your portal password in the Portal Settings tab. These features provide a quick and convenient way to keep your contact information up to date and enhance the security of your account. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to use your client portal and its various features. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.